So today we going to complete the bootstrap part. Okay, one class is pending, so I planning first complete the bootstrap. Then after that we will move in the JavaScript side. So it will be better. So up to navigation bar, I think we had completed up to nav bar. Correct? Or somewhat before also. What was that last topic? Anyone? No idea. Everybody sleeping.
No, sir.
Up to which we had. Somebody had told I practice bootstrap also. So where we was?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. Which
sir,
topic we had completed?
cursor, sir.
Oh, Carsol. Okay.
हाँ,
Okay.
cursor, हाँ, sir. उसका
Yeah.
मीनिंग थोड़ा सा.
Okay. Not an issue. That was Carsol, I think. So we had covered the Carsol, and mostly we was covering the input field, means navigation bar we had covered. Today we going to look over the form. Okay.
Sir, form and input remaining, no, sir.
Yeah. This from there remaining Carsol in the middle.
Yeah.
We had covered that one. So we will
Okay,
cover
sir.
the form. So can anyone guide me in writing the form tag using the HTML? Amol is there. Will thought again he caught me in the form. Okay.
sir.
Approach.
First,
Wait. Approach. Start. Had you studied form, correct? Or you want practice?
No, sir, I studied, sir.
Yeah. I want two field. Email, password. Start fast. Don't waste time.
Which one, sir?
I want two field. Email ID and password. Okay. Shivani Kumari and Sweta. Both of you.
Yes, sir. Firstly, we write level.
Next.
Next, email. Inside the level email.
Next.
And after that,
Input. Next.
input type text. Password.
Next. Sweta.
After
Okay. Shivani, mute. Yeah, Sweta, carry on.
input, we can add that. Yeah, sir.
First is the email address. Next is the password.
Yes, sir. And enter the password, sir.
Fine. Enter. Ignore the spelling mistake if anything will be there. Oh, double S. Okay, next.
After input, sir.
After input or after this input? Input. Fine. What should be type? Vidya,
Number,
what should be type?
number, sir.
Number. Vidya, is this correct? I want to take password.
Sir, I think a password should be a type of password. I think type should be password.
Sweta, is this correct? Password should be correct. Password.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Fine. Next. Check this. Is the code in the proper written in the proper standard or not?
No, sir. Inside the, we take inside div.
Correct. So we will take a inside div. So let's say cut all the code, take one div. Fine, paste. Next, again, same thing for this. We have to take a div and we have to pass. Correct? So we will pass there. Anyone having any issue up to this? Vidya, are you getting something?
Yes,
we
sir,
have to make
I'm getting, but sir, I have a question. Like,
Yeah.
if you are not, adding that into the deep, then, sir, we can't do that. Like, without adding into the deep. Like, you are adding the each field, like, yeah, enter email
in the
that
one
you are
div.
adding in a particular div, and and a password in the another div. If you will not add this, then yeah, I want to know that what will happen.
Okay. So if we will not add, can anyone explain? Will Praful or Roshan? Why be taking it with a div?
Yes, sir. Div is a container type, means you want a block level, so div is a work on block level, and div is a container, means specially particularly used in div section, means you are writing any style and those like
Correct. So that is
so
the
use
main
in div.
point. Yeah. So div is just like a container. So if you want to add a style on particular input element or label, suppose that on the first we had taken email and yeah. So we had taken two things, label and input field. So we want something on this particular on this means this two part. Okay. So that's why we had taken with a div. We will same style you have to write here in the label, then you have to write that with the input. So no need to pass a two time same style. We will directly pass on the div. Means by this we can tell that this is like a section. It a grouping together. Got it? Something.
Okay, sir, I got it. Thanks.
Yeah. Next, we have to pass ID and class. So what will be the ID for this? Anyone? What will be the ID for this one? Shivani Sinha.
Email.
Email. Email underscore block. What about the this one div?
Password underscore blog.
In password PASSWORD underscore BLOCK. Password underscore block. So this way we can easily identify this is a password block and this is your email block. Fine. So same thing we have to write here also, but I'm not going to write. I will just mention ID. You can pass that ID value there, and here also you have to same thing you will do here ID, then here. Next, if suppose you have to pass a style, what you will do? You will write the style for particular whatever is there. But now we will go with the bootstrap. So, okay. So first let me link the boot. Okay, let me run this code. Vidya, you know bootstrap?
Yes, a little bit on, I know.
Okay, not an issue. So this see, whatever file be, how this ID is password block is written. Oh, this will
Sir,
come
for
outside.
sir,
Okay.
type
So
text
yeah.
equal to email.
Okay, not an issue. It will work because oh my god, why this in this typing? Type text, it will not validate directly. Means a type it's fine for the understanding purpose, but validation will be only you can do with server side or with the help of JavaScript. Okay, so we taken two field. Now, if you have to pass a style, but we not want to pass the CSS style, we want to go with the bootstrap. But now it's look like just simple. How we will add bootstrap? So for adding bootstrap, we have to pass here the bootstrap link. From where we will get the bootstrap link? We will get that bootstrap link from the official website of bootstrap. Otherwise, any tutorial website like we are learning through the W3 school. So on the W3 school itself, you can get that. Okay. So just try it yourself. Do this one. So Vidya, see what we have to do. We have to just run this line of code in the section of bootstrap, and here in a head section there are 4 line. Sorry, from the link, this all 4 line. Don't do anything. Just copy this line and paste in your head section. This thing. and just
Okay,
save.
sir.
And now your file got added with the bootstrap. Now see, previously this was getting just means there was no any space. It was without a space, but now we got some space between both input field due to the bootstrap. Means because we taken here id div something is there. So with the help of that we can. Now I want one that button also. Tell me how we can write first. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Using button,
Sir,
Yeah.
we write button.
Button.
then click me and button close.
Sir, click. Yeah.
Okay. Submit.
Sir,
Not an
button can write three types, na sir? Input, anchor tag.
yeah.
Yes.
Don't go with anchor tag. Anchor tag, if you taking, then you have to design like a button. Taking anchor tag, then you have to design like button. Button underscore submit. But two types are there, like input and a button is equal to button. Now tell me add to bootstrap in this button. It's a simple.
BTN, sir.
Everybody know.
BTN.
We have to take
Sir,
the
class
class.
BTN we use.
Yeah, so we
BTN.
have to take the class, then we will pass a BTN. Now we got the button that is transparent. We want a button danger, red color. So button
BTN.
hyphen
BTN happen danger.
danger. Okay, but we want a button in the large. What is the thing?
We use LG button. LG.
Button LG. Let's see. We got up to this. I want the complete big block, not this much. Then button dash and block, I think. Yeah, button hyphen block. Got it? Like this way it will give you. Next, we wanted to add CSS on our input field. So see here in this case, go from the starting. Yeah. So there is one term, new term, that is form group. Okay. Class name is form group. So what it going to do? What are you getting from the term form group? General term. Don't think regarding the technical, just a normal grammar or whatever you can. What are you thinking?
So group of sir,
there.
input.
Grouping, correct. So it going to group as like in div. What we had done, we going to make the container type. What we will do, we will pass their form group class. See in the top itself means each div having this form group. Okay, just take this class form group and pass there. Got it? So what I done, I passed that a group. So it going to group together. So just go with another. In label, anything is extra in label part? Are you getting anything extra there?
No, sir.
Nothing is there. Next, in the input, are you getting anything extra?
Yeah, form control, sir.
One is form control. The class name is form control. So let's take this. I not taken the placeholder. No need. If you want, you can take. I taken form control. Let's save and let's see what happened. What is the output?
It is a complete sir in input
What
section
happened?
changes in
It-
block.
Yeah, previously this inter email and the input field both was coming there, means on the same line in the sense which type of element?
Line.
Same
Inline
line in
element,
the
sir. Inline
inline
element, sir.
element. So previously it was coming like same. How you can decide? See in the case of this password, it coming along same line. So both was like a inline element. But when we had passed, what classes you had passed? Just to go through the classes. So we had passed one class that is form group, that is for the grouping purpose. And second class I had passed the class form control. Let's remove this because due to this itself that had happened. Had you seen? So when we passing the class form control, it going to make the element into which type? Block level element. Clear? Fine. Next. So with the help of, so in each div, what we will do? We will pass one class that is form group, and in each input field, we will pass one class that is form control. So due to that, it will make that a block level element, and the input field or wherever we had passed this form control, it will start into the new line. So we will do the same thing for the password also. So in password, we have to pass this class group, sorry, form group, fine. And here we have to pass one input and their class equal to which one? Form
control.
control. So if you have extension of a Bootstrap installed in your system, you will get this. So now what you're thinking regarding the button? Will we will add there also or not? So let's
Yes,
see.
sir.
Button, where is that button? Yeah, button is there. So button they had written outside, then button primary, something they had passed. That's no issue. If you want, you can pass, but it's not going to work more, I think. Let's see. I don't know whether what will happen. Class form hyphen ROUP group. Let's save. It will not do anything effective here, but let's go with here form hyphen control and let's save. What happened? Had you observed anything?
No,
Nothing.
sir.
Nothing.
No,
So
sir. So
it's not mostly it's yeah. Carry on.
sir, sir, we already taken BTN block.
Yeah, BTN that
That's
is for the button purpose. We taken
yes,
BTN
sir.
button that is for the button purpose.
Yes, sir. BTN hyphen block we will
Yeah.
use already.
Okay, got it.
Inside
Because yeah, it going to already make in the block level element with the help of block. Because it occupied in the full width. So now see what we observed with the help of this form control, form group, this whatever input field we had passed, it came into full screen. Now can anyone do this in the middle of the screen? It came in the full screen. I want in the middle. How I can?
By taking container.
Sir,
Container.
justify.
Okay.
Sir, take Jumbotron.
Yeah, sir. Justify content center also.
Sir, row
So
and
let's do
column
one.
can be used.
Now anybody will tell now take all bootstrap. It will work. Do one thing. Take first one div. Fine. Pass all the means a content. Fine. Now go all whatever you telling. So which one? Class, row, column for the responsive purpose. With the help of that also we can do. That's not an issue. Go with the Jumbotron. Okay, let's do that. So let's see Jumbotron what it's going to do. So this given this type of design. Okay. So whenever if you want this type of design, you can go like this. Got it? Next, which one? Container. Somebody had told container also. Let's say go with container. What are you thinking? What will be the output in the case of container?
Sir, padding a margin, sir.
Our margin is showing the left or right
Yeah,
side.
left and right margin will become. So let's see. We got the margin left and right. Clear? So now see when you taken this container, now pass the Jumbotron. Now it will look something good. Got it? Because now you had got margin also and a Jumbotron also. And from top that is available on the means say there is no any more space. So how we will get the space on the top?
Empty, sir.
Empty means margin top. And how much you want? Maximum value is up to 5. So take up to 5. Okay. Now we get somewhat a space there. Next, anything? Okay. This is a looking extra. I not want this much. Now reduce the size. How you will reduce?
Sir,
Means I
padding,
want
sir.
in the center.
We use padding.
Don't go with padding because see, don't use always padding. Try to make responsive. Responsive in the sense with the help of responsive, try to do that.
Take call 6.
Yeah, call 6. So how we will take call 6?
Pass in the row, sir.
Means again I
First
have
we
to
have to
take
take
one
Pass
div,
in the div, sir.
Yeah, div,
one div,
right div. You have
and
to
one
take
more
row
div
with
for the
first row.
column.
Yeah, sir.
One more div for the column. Now pass all the code. Okay, and now pass. Which one on the top?
The
Row,
row.
Class,
sir. Class two.
Class is equal
class
to row.
row. Fine. What about next?
So class
Call
Class
6,
equal
sir.
to
call
call
happen
hyphen.
Or LG.
In which screen you want?
LG.
sir.
LG.
Sir,
So
LG,
go with
SM, both
LG.
will take.
-6.
Okay, fine. So you want 6. What about in the smaller screen? How much you want?
All
All
12, sir.
12.
12,
Sorry,
sir.
SM 12.
SM-12 because already mobile have a smaller screen. So we will go always with the mobile SM-12. Okay, we can pass there 12. No need to split there. Mostly we will not try that, but you can do that. What happened? Your this came in the left side, not in the bottom, means say center. What you will do now?
Sir, pass justify content center, sir. In the row, sir.
Justify row. Okay, justify content center. Justified content center. Then why you taken a row and column? Okay, that's
Because,
fine.
sir,
Let it to be. Okay. What about this one? Scroll bar on the bottom. How this came?
because container, sir.
Container.
Sir, we have to
So
take container fluid.
container fluid. Let's see.
Yes.
But again, same.
Sir, you use in column 6 and 6 and 6 12 means this side can be came in middle. So this is the error on column LG 6.
Prabhul, actually it was from the previous itself. So see, I think maybe something happened here. Remove this. Let it to be. What happened? Oh, it become a small. Okay. It is coming due to row actually. Where is
Sir,
that?
sir, remove justify.
Yeah, I think that due to this one. No, that is due to row then. Okay, take this. Wait, let me comment row and comment this column also and comment one div, two div and save. Now it gone. Now make that a small in the sense container fluid jumbotron MT5 we given on the top. Fine. Justify content center.
Sir,
Now
I
came here.
think sir, one div is 4 first and second is 6 means this container can write and last is one div and this is 3 column. So
Got it. What you're telling. 3 and 3 left side 3, right side 3 and middle 6 like that.
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir.
It's still like
Yeah.
that.
Okay, not an issue. You can do that one. But now whatever we had tried, we seen that. Means how many page we can make a different style. Fine. So next move on the bootstrap side. So what are the things we had taken? We taken form control. So what new term we had learned? Form group and one is form control. Fine. These two things. Anyone having any doubt? Had you got the use case of these two? Form control and form group.
Yeah, sir.
Clear? Okay, fine. Which side this sound is coming?
Samsad.
Samsad, your mic is working, okay? Okay, next. So next is the process. This form become the which type? Block level element. Okay, because each element had came in the next. But now I want in the inline. What we will do? We will do the another option to make the form inline. That is add class form inline. Then you will get. And where you have to pass that? On the parent itself. So see, in the form itself, they pass this one form inline. And any extra line of code is here. Just see label. Anything extra? Nothing extra is there.
No, sir.
Now come to the input field. Is there any extra code? Type is already class form control already we know placeholder ID. No any extra. Then in case of label password, nothing extra. Then in this case, same thing. Then here also nothing, means just we had added one class in line. So let's see. We will do the same thing and we will pass that. And let's see. See, now it become inline. Correct or not? So this way we can make any form inline. Clear? So I'm not going to make this inline. It will make our design danger. It's not looking good. Yeah. So this way we can make a inline. Next, inline form with utilities. SM minus SM hyphen 2. What is the thing? Inline form ever feel compressed when we had gone with the which one? Inline. Our form got compressed. We will look much better with the bootstraps spacing utilities. Okay. Now the form following example adds a right margin. We already know how to add margin. Correct or not? Margin means M bn passing M.
MR.
And after that, which direction you want? Top, then MT, right, then MR, left, then ML, then bottom, then MB, like that. And in which device you want? That is SM. You can pass that accordingly, which device you want, and how much you want the margin, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever you want, you can pass there. So what is written there? To each input on all devices, small and up. Okay. And add a margin bottom class MB2 to use a style input field, and it breaks when it break goes from horizontal to vertical due to not enough spaces. Means according to a space it will adjust in yourself. Means it will auto adjust the design. Any need of going with this one? Just you can go through this line, means where they had added, and you can practice that. But that is simple, not an issue. Next, we had just seen form and row, that also we had used. So what had happened? We can split that. But now suppose what here they do going to do, just go through the code. They taken one div row, and inside row they taken one column. With the one column, see where the column get means closed, this one. And next, this column. What are you thinking? Where this both input will be? Means how this both input will be available in our UI side. Will this will be top and bottom? Will this will be left, right, like this along together? 6, 6 in the screen like that? What are you thinking?
Sir, 666 screen, sir.
It will come 6, 6 because see on the top they had taken one row, and inside row they had taken one column, and this column got closed here. Again one column started, and again this column got closed. Fine. And this one is the row. Means one row inside that two column. Means it is splitted equally 6, 6. Correct. Or the remaining all the things same. Whatever field we had taken input you can take, but you can design accordingly. Anyone having
Yes.
any issue? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So if we take 3 div and we don't pass any value, then what will happen?
What are you telling one more time?
Sir, if we take one more div
Okay.
and we don't pass any call value,
Okay, got
then
it.
what?
Means you're telling that 3 times we will take that value.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, let's verify.
But we don't pass any value. Only
Okay,
take
not an
class is
issue.
equals to call.
To underscore form dot HTML. What are you thinking? Amol?
Sir, I
Sorry,
think it
Amol is
divides into
there.
3 parts.
Sir, it's not divided in 3 parts.
So if
Because
Okay.
we're not giving
Because no
admin
one any
class or
content, sir, inside the div.
Okay. Any other suggestion? Praful? What are you thinking? Are you thinking anything or not? Think
Purple
at least.
thinking is very important, sir.
Praful, think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't
Sir,
tell that
कुछ
deeply.
I stop thinking in night time. Don't tell this.
no, sir.
Okay. What is the question, Shivani? Repeat the question.
Sir, take
Did not get this.
another div also.
Yeah. I
Right,
know that
take
what you
class.
had. See, Praful, I'm going to make the design here. You have to think regarding the output. Call hyphen. That's only, na?
The class
Sorry.
is equals to call.
Class. See, if you not want, na, then also you can write like this. Dot col.
Yes.
I think it will come. Oh,
For
when you
dot
will write
container,
with it.
it will work.
No, here also it will come. See, I showing you. Remove this div completely.
Without div, sir.
Rose, mute. See, just pass a dot and what I have to take? Call.
Call.
Enter. It came.
Yes.
Means
Yes,
no
sir.
need to write a div. Just pass a dot and then it will auto come. Okay. So question Baj, now be taken one column. This become 2 column and this become 3 column. What should be output? Will this divide into 3 row or it will come into 2 or what you thinking? Total screen size is
In
2.
Sir,
3 row.
Sir,
Yeah.
3 row income.
Okay. So what will be in the last? What will be in the last? Which- Okay. What will be last?
Sir, button and
It will be blank, sir. You're
Button.
not given anything.
In last we had not given anything.
okay,
How the button
okay,
will
sir.
come?
No, sir,
Sir,
but
sir,
I think pass the any value.
sir, I think
Okay,
it
I
will
not.
take a space, but we will not be able to see anything there. But it will take a space.
Why we will
And
not able to see?
it's not
Like
take a
there is
space.
nothing in this tip, no, so we can't see.
Okay, but means on UI, how you will realize that it is a space? On UI, how you will realize?
And equal
It
space
will.
will be empty there.
Sir, let's run.
What? 1 second, 1 second. No. Without running, you have to realize pseudo code is this one. Today you had got that interview, no? See,
33.
they have, Amardeep, they have answer, they have question, but they don't know where they have to write.
Yeah, that thing. I know.
They have
Actually,
question also, they have answer also, but they don't know where they have to write that answer. That is the situation. Okay, so see what will be the output. This both will be a pair in 3 section. Sorry, 4 section. So for this one and for this one, 4 8, and this one will be in the 4 that is empty. See this section. First this one will be password, and this 4 where nothing is there. Clear? Apply there
Yes.
background color.
Yes.
BG hyphen danger. Let's save. So see 4 is that one color. Got it? That's why I told we will get that. And 1 second, due to row we are getting row container class pass here. Pass conta container hyphen prelude pass this. Yeah. Okay. So in previous, see, bottom we was getting a scroll bar. When you will pass this container hyphen prelude, that a scroll bar gone. You see, in the bottom we got that a scroll bar. Okay. When you will pass this container prelude, it will gone. Clear? Because this right side a space, due to that it's going that side also.
The container fluid like overflow type.
Yeah, that. Okay. So is there any more doubt now or clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Fine. So next we will go with the row and column. Already be seen how we can make that customize in the 6633, whatever you want, we can do that. That's a grid you can think. Next, if you want less grid margin, we can pass that. What is that? Form row instead of a row. What is this one? For less margin. These are just normal design spacing purpose. Get commented form also. So what you observed here? Nothing. Just regarding the margin they had discussed. That is the thing. No more. Next, validation part. Suppose that you had entered wrong user ID, wrong password. Even if you had not entered something, then how you will show to the user that it is valid or not. So what you will do? That thing is the validation. You have to validate. Okay. So that time you have to show this type of input. Okay. Like some error message or something like that. So let's go now. This is the interesting part. Here is the form validation. Had you seen what happened? First go through the or means output. After that we will look over the code. So we had pass. Let's do one thing first. See right side and left side. It going to touch the screen. How we can reduce that? There is no any spacing right side and left side. It's not looking good. How we can?
Container.
Container. Left the container. Without container also we can do. Here see. Okay.
Sir, padding.
Do one.
Empty. No,
Empty.
MLM.
Yeah.
Margin left,
Take
margin
up
right.
to take up to here div and pass this all inside one div. And now margin you told fine. Go with class and go with margin left. Why not?
Yep.
Go do one thing. Take margin all side. We got in the center itself. So now when you start filling data something, okay, suddenly when you start filling, it is showing that valid and a tick mark came. But when you means say when you not fill anything, means some barring pop-up is there. When you're putting cursor over that, please fill out this field. Can you tell me why which CSS property it will display this? Please
Yeah,
fill
sir.
out. Yeah.
Abbreviation,
How
sir.
you can do? What?
While
Title,
hover
sir. Using title, sir.
Title. Then now the title will work.
Property. Required.
In
Yes, sir.
HTML we had discussed required. Sorry, in CSS we had discussed required.
Sir, alert can इसमें
Sir, title
this
also,
is
sir. When you pass title inside the.
that's fine. This is just due to H over property.
Yes, sir.
In H over display none display block. Correct.
Yes.
When we doing that display none, it going to be hidden. And when you passing some data, now see when you putting cursor, it not giving anything. Got it? So with the help of that also we can do. And different property, different things are there, but with the help of that also we can. So let's go through the code. What code is there? So what we had taken? We taken form group. No need for this explanation. Next label we had taken. Let it to be. Next be taken input field. In input what we had taken type equal to text. Let it to be. Then class equal to then ID no issue. This no issue. Go here. What they had taken name equal to something. Let it to be name. Not a problem. But one thing we got that is required. Clear? So with the help of required, it had shown that you had not filled any data. Okay. Do one thing. Remove this required. And now save. Now see. Without any data, you got this valid, something like that. Clear? Because we had removed that required property, and due to required property, it not checking that whether you have data or not. Okay. Pass this. Wait 1 second. I will do one more thing. Now tell me, this second line, having this required property. Fine. Not only second line, this third line also having the required property. See, but then also be not getting that red pop-up. Why? Can anyone?
Because, sir, form.
Because of form. Form is already there.
Sir, class, sir.
Class, which class?
Sir,
Was valid, sir.
Paper 1 was validated.
Yes, sir. Was
Okay,
validated, sir.
you're telling was validated. Okay, let's uncomment and remove this. Let's see whether due to this one. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, due to that. Fine. One more thing. Where is that? Actually, see, I will tell you one thing. Why be taking the form field? Okay, this form tag itself. Sorry, form not field. That's a tag. With the tag form, this required property have. Okay, this required whatever we had passed in the input. So first to go with the line by line. Just wait. Then we will move on that. So in input, what we had taken extra, just only one line, that is required property. Clear? So with the help of required property, it going to detect whether the input field got the value or not. Clear? With the help of required. The same required you can use in the JavaScript, same you can use React, same you can use Angular, same .NET, Java, Python, any language. Because this required not the property of Bootstrap or anything. This is the property, this is the feature of a form tag. Okay. By default, with a form tag, you will get this feature. Different features are there, like required, then touched, TOUCHED, touched. It's not coming, but you will get this property because when you touching the form, that time it will detect. That time it will give you the pop-up message warning. Okay, so this different property they have. User has visited. The same thing we will learn in the Angular, how we can detect each movement of the user. So required property. So this will work when you have the form, but this class, with the help of this class, it going to help you detecting that and displaying accordingly the warning pop-up message. Okay, so whenever we going to validate our form, you have to pass this class was validated. Fine. And the next one thing, in input you have to pass this required field. Clear? Then you can validate the form. Next, now you showing two different pop-up message, like, see, now you have the warning message that is please fill out the field. Clear? Please fill out this field. Now pass any data. When we passing data, what message was previously? Please fill out the field. Now see, one message is this one, please fill out the field. When this message is, what is the class name? What is the class name?
Invalid feedback.
Invalid feedback.
feedback.
So when there will be invalid feedback, that time it will show this message. Okay, and this message we had entered it, not only what is the Bootstrap. Bootstrap provided this class name, but when the form is valid, what valid feedback, valid hyphen feedback, that time you can show some message there. Clear? This thing, only three thing is there. One, class name on the top, you have to pass this one was validated. Second, in the input field, you have to pass the required property. And next, you have to display different message pop-up. Clear? So this way we can validate our form, and same thing for all. There is no anything extra, nothing is there. So with the help of this, yeah.
Sir, actually, I want to ask one thing. How that two class is no once while click the text box on that time
Yeah.
it's affecting. I mean, what the
Yeah. 1 second.
interrelated connection, sir?
Okay, wait. So who is in the parent? Which class? Which class is in the parent? Which class of
Sorry.
Bootstrap available in the parent? Was
Class,
validated. Was validated. So with the help of
yeah.
was validated, it will give you the pop-up whether you had validated the form or not. It will detect your input field, whether you had filled some data or not. Once you fill the data, you will get the message and accordingly we had passed the class. Okay, invalid or valid means once you filling the data was validate detecting that. That's why this form tag means this class was validated is available in the parent. And which parent? This form, because this form going to encapsulate this all div section, means not only div section, all input field. Got it? Because as you have a table and table have the tr td, then who means with the help of tr and td you can easily whatever style or whatever things, whatever property you want to apply on each row or means td, then you will first go through the table, then you will go internal like that. Same thing, mute. So same thing we can do here. First, we are on the parent of the form, and there we had passed a class was validated. So with the help, once we entering the data, with the help of this class was validated, it going to trigger the message where the input field gets some value or not. Accordingly, it if input field got some value, suppose that, okay, accordingly this parent message going to get that, and then you getting this both, whether this one or that one. Now question is that how this class will know regard that you had entered the value in the username or in the password. Got my point? Or this checkbox, suppose we had entered some value. Okay, now how that badge validate, because this is working on the top level. Okay, so how this know that you had passed the value that is for the password, not for the username, or that is for username, not for the password? Who will help in detecting, and how they will detect? Can anyone?
So
Any idea?
div is
What?
detecting for.
No.
Sir,
See, I will give you such.
valid feedback, sir.
yes, we pass name equal password and name equal uname.
So see, here in each input, we had given one thing, that is a name property. Clear? So with the help of name property, it's like your name itself. Okay. Any delivery person, or suppose anybody have to call you only, then what anybody will tell? Anybody will call with your name. That is like your identity. So same thing here also happening. So if you will pass name, okay, and in name you had passed some value. Clear? Same thing you done for the another also, this input field. Here you pass the one name property, that is in name you can pass any value, that's not the matter. Okay, but you have to be the one attribute, this that is name. Okay, and in name, as you passing the value with the help of this required field, means two things is available extra, that is required and name. This both are not the part of Bootstrap. Take care. This is the part of HTML. Okay. So as you pass the name and required, so required is searching for this input field whether required is available or not. So required keyword is written for this one. Means now name field have to trigger the message. It will send the message that this field have a required property, but they have not data. Got my point? Name field, it will detect that this input field. Yeah. This name property, it will search that this have a required property. Okay, and required property, but it will search in the input that it have data or not. If it have not data, this name property, with the help of name property, it will go and trigger to the form section that some field who is required, but they not getting data, and due to that this class is working accordingly. Means name property going to help you identifying each input. Got it? If you're not getting more clear, don't worry, we will discuss same thing in Angular. It will come in JavaScript also, same thing it will come. But one thing you have to keep in mind, name property is the main thing. It going to indicate each input field, and required means required, compulsory. That is the thing. Clear? Anyone having doubt? Tell me. Any doubt? Sweta, Praful?
No, sir, no doubt, sir.
Fine. No doubt. Okay. So what happened with the help of name property? It is like a naming convention. Each line means each input field going to detect. B can detect means not B. Form will detect each input field with the help of name property. Okay. And required and this touched, untouched, dirty, different properties are there. We will look one by one slowly. But name property you can keep in mind that something is there with the help of that. Who going to detect? Form will detect. Okay, and form will detect, and accordingly that's why we had passed this thing in the parent class, and in the parent class it going to validate. Okay, clear. So with the help of that, accordingly we had passed two message. So if data is not there, so form in form parent class, bootstrap parent class, it will validate and it will give you the warning message that whether data is there or not. Clear? I think everybody got silent. Form become form. Okay. Next, what is there? In this example, we use needs validation, which will add the validation effect after the form have been submitting. Means, what is happening now? We had not submitted the form. Okay. Before that submitting itself, we getting the pop-up message that this form is wrong. But now we going to do another task. In that, I will not open this code means in our browser means side. We will learn means we will look here itself. Yeah. So here we going to see how to validate form when after submitting. When you click the button, that time you have to verify whether this form is valid or not. So what is going to do? I think JavaScript is written. Some is written. Left it to be, otherwise you will not get this thing you will not get, so let it to be. But what is the class? Let's go through the class. Let it to be, that's it. So class here we had passed the class and needs validation and no validate. No validate in the sense validation is not there, means why be using the term no validate? Can anyone? Amardeep, Samir, any idea
Some
why we
field,
using no validate?
some fields doesn't need validation, I think.
No. See, here when we not pass any, see in this form tag, we had not passed anything no validate. Okay. But here we had passed one term no validate. Means browser not going to validate by their self. Means we have to validate. We are validating that. That's why we not be passing no validate. I have little bit idea regarding this. Let's see in Google what it going to do. Samir mute. When present it has specific the form data, it should not be validated when submitted. And submitted, not getting that much clear here. What is the form? Yeah. No validate attribute in HTML used to signify that the form won't get validated on submit. It will not validate on submit. Okay. It is Boolean attribute and useful if you want the user to save the progress of form filling. If the form validation is disabled, the user can easily save the form and continue and submit the form later. I not got more idea. Anyone had understand? Tell
Sir,
me.
basically, if we are going to give any validation, then without giving correct input, we cannot press the submit button and we cannot submit that form. But in here
Yeah.
case, without giving invalid value, we can able to submit that form, sir.
Yeah, means we can tell when the form is not valid, button will be disabled. We can't
Yes,
submit.
yes.
Okay. So no validation attribute is a Boolean attribute. Actually, Boolean means what is Boolean in JavaScript? We will learn. When present, it has specified that form input should not be validated when submitted. Okay. Let it to be. As like we had learned the disable property, apply the disable here. You will get somewhat idea. That's it. While JavaScript, we will learn more. DISAB disabled. Now see this button got disabled. but now it's clickable. Color got that. 1 second. Yeah, yeah, HTML have that property. Fine. Yeah, now it's so now see the button got disabled. Now you can't click this button. Okay, so this will work in no validate case. But now due to this all error message, we getting that, but it will be disabled till you not satisfied this all condition. Once you will pass this value, once form validate, then that time only it will be got enable and you can click. Samir, is that
Yeah, what, sir?
means now my validation got satisfied, so my button have to enable. Is that condition in case of no validate?
No, sure. What I'm trying to say means whatever you given, that all valid value you given, but
Okay.
that condition was if you give the invalid condition, then submit button will be disabled.
Invalid. So once all will be valid, now my button have to enable, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that means I had hard coded this disabled, so it will not get, because for that we have to go through the JavaScript or jQuery. But this was the condition. Once your form will be valid, then this button will get enable. Otherwise, you can't able to click. That is the case. In JavaScript, we will see this thing. We will not take care regarding the bootstrap, but we will disable and enable that.
Yes, sir.
So
In JavaScript,
now
is
we had,
yes, sir.
yeah, because you see here, JavaScript code is there. You don't know AB also of JavaScript, so I not want to make you confused. So let it away. So now we had discussed the form. So I think hope you got somewhat idea how we can make inline, how we can make the design of the form as we had done here. Okay. So with the help of this, we have learned. Now whatever form you have done, please try to make like a bootstrap. Use that. Okay. Already everybody had done with the help of CSS. Now try to make with the help of bootstrap. Anybody have any question? What happened? Anybody have any doubt, any question? Tell me. In the case of this form.
Sir, for me, no doubt, sir.
Okay. What about others? Any doubt?
So the validation part little bit confusing. I will study
Which part?
No doubt.
validation on.
Validation. See, validation, let it to be, because in Bootstrap, sorry, in
Our
JavaScript, in Angular, we will learn in the real scenario. Okay. Now you will not get, just take care regarding the full doubt, sir. Who is this? Oh, Pavan. Okay, Pavan, no issue. You have the full doubt, I know. So see, Bootstrap, we just going for the design purpose. Amardeep, clear? So we will learn how build design. That's it. Don't worry regarding that. Means all the functionality. Functionality we are not doing actually. That's why you will not get more idea, clarity over that. But same thing we will do on the JavaScript and Angular part. We will do the same task again there. Then you will get more clarity over there, because those are coding part. That's why. Just focus on the design, how we are designing. That's it. Amardeep, clear somewhat? Got.
Designing part is
Next.
clear.
Yeah, go with designing only. Don't worry regarding that. We will learn that thing in the JavaScript. Now next, input field. So if you have to design input, okay, so how we can do? So we can see in the CSS how we by doing actually. Anyone having any idea? How we by doing, which selector we was using or designing the input? We
Sir,
had seen
area,
some
sir.
selector there.
Area, sir.
Oi, area. Area is a
Sir,
selector.
no, sir. Address, sir.
Address is selector.
okay, sir.
Oi,
We are using
Sir,
this
HTML tag, sir.
type
This is
type
a
text, sir.
HTML, sir.
Input type text, sir.
So attribute selector and sir decision.
yeah. Attribute selector. Mostly we had used that time attribute selector. Dharmender. More
Sir, I am
study,
telling,
more.
sir. I am telling this, sir. Comment box, like, sir. That's why I'm telling address.
That I telling, more study, more confusion. No study, no confusion.
Sir, Dharmendra is depending
Okay.
on photo, sir.
Sir,
You
what
need
you
photo
say?
work.
No study, sir.
What you telling?
Means what you trying to say? It means no study.
Yeah. No study, no confusion. All will be blank. Where will be the confusion?
Yes, sir, like me.
Yeah, see. No study, no confusion.
Yes.
There
Sir.
are a number of example over here, sir. I know, sir.
Praful will tell full study, full confusion.
Praful is a
Praful.
unique personality over here, sir. Literally, I'm telling you.
So let's see regarding this form input field. I know I will not cover more because this already comes in the form form itself. So bootstrap input already be know in the case of that HTML itself, which type of input is there, different types. So same thing we going to take here, but now you can design that particular input field, different types. Okay. So suppose that this form already we had taken, nothing we have to do here, let it to be. Then text area, what you can do, suppose that you have to give more and more comment. Okay. Mostly we are using, see, input field we are always, we can take all type of input field anywhere, but in some scenario we have to take care which input field we can take on that time. Like suppose that here we had taken username. Suppose in place of username, if we will take a text area, whether that will be, oh is this mute Samir, corona is there, man, you have to take care. 15 members are there, all will got affected. You will think virtually. Yeah,
We
see,
are,
somebody is speaking there also.
sir, we are family, sir. If some family member one affected, then it should be affect more all members, sir.
Yeah, that's I tell. You will think we are online. Corona will not think that. Okay.
सर वो तो सबसे पहले आप ही को मेरे बात.
Sir, from tomorrow class will be off due to COVID-19.
Correct. Nobody following that.
सर सब कोई मास्क लगा के क्लास करेगा सर.
अरे
कोई नहीं
मैं
सर, वर्चुअल मास्क आता है सर.
ये तो और महान है, इसका तो कुछ कहना ही नहीं है, वर्चुअल मास्क लगाएगा.
भैया ऐसा अजूबा लोग हैं सर भैया.
शिवानी, sorry, Sweta, you have mask.
Yes, sir.
Keep that. Because these all are North Indian guy. Don't believe these all.
ये पता नहीं कितना दूर माइक को रख के बोलती है कि इसका आवाज ही नहीं आ पाता है.
वो तुम्हारा हिंदी पूरा समझ गई, क्या टेंशन तुम मत ही लो.
अरे तो मेरे क्या
So see,
ढेला चला के थोड़े
okay.
मेरे.
Okay, so here what we will do now, we going to go with the input field. So we will not take this one. Yeah, what I was telling, suppose that I have to work with the, I want to take, where is that? Just 1 second. Yeah. Oh, this not running with the server. Okay, so what we had done here, we had taken two input field, one is an email, one is password. Okay, but in case of suppose that email, what we had taken, let's just look over the input field first. We taken input type equal to text. If we will take text area, whether that will work or not. In case of this one, if we will take text area, Ritvik is here. Ritvik, are you?
Yes, I'm here.
What about office?
I just take today's leave.
Oh, okay. So now what I going to do, I will enter, means same thing, placeholder, whatever was written, but now I taking, just 1 second.
Instead of text, you are going to take text area.
Yes. Take 1 and take row 10.
Okay.
Samir, first mute. Okay, so Now, what I done, I taken text area, okay? Same thing, everything. Whatever control, ID, name, email, password, whatever is there, that's let it to be. But be taken here text area. Whether is this correct or not? Means previously it was type equal to text. Okay, so see the code. This one. Previously it is type equal to, where is that? Type equal to text. Now we taken type text area. Is both looking same type or not?
No,
Don't
sir.
go.
No,
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 one
sir.
second. 1 second. Don't go icon. That a tick mark and
Sir,
that.
it's looking same type, sir.
Yeah, that I telling. Yeah, now Samir. Both looking same. Except that tick mark.
Sir, how it's looking same? If you are going to
Yeah,
text area, then in corner side you are see that symbol, that expand that symbol.
that is the thing. See, in the corner, this expand symbol is available. And we can expand this. How? With the help of holding this corner part. Got it? And why this not going in the right side? Because of the row, I think. Row is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, column is there.
So row
So
and
due to
column.
column, yeah. So due to column, it going to restrict that area. That's why it's not going. And here we had pass call 50. That's why it's not going inside also. Okay, but it going up and down. Clear? So that's why if you passing like that, it will take the value. But if you will look directly, blindly, then it will not look any differences. Okay, but when we passing this, that time we can easily verify that there are some issue. So that means my motto of writing this one, don't use anything anywhere. Means you have to use particular input field at particular places. That is the thing. Clear or not? So it's look text area. So text area, when we will use, always wherever need of a comment or take the user suggestion, means where more number of input will be required. Okay, suppose you have to write question and answer. Okay, that time you can take this like enter answer. Fine. Now enter answer and pass this row 10. Now see, this much section came and this one. Let's comment this completely. That will be fine. What happened? Clear. Now we want enter answers, means more number of spaces is required. So that time we will take this text area. So wherever required. Now previously we had not got this scroll bar, and now it scroll bar started. How and when? Any idea? When this scroll bar will start, and why not in the starting time? Shivani, any idea? Sweta, Praful, everybody is sleeping.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Row
sir. No,
row
yes.
more, sir. Came in score to bar.
Row 4. Where the row 4?
No, sir. More row are here, and so
Okay,
score bar come in.
fine. Next, others.
But sir, I have one question.
Wait. Don't you have any question? Wait, keep that question. Just 1 second. Shivani, can you?
Sir,
What is the region? 1 second, Abhishek. Row 10 and column 50.
Yes.
So what happened that due to row 10, column 15? Row 10, column 15, that's fine. But due to this, what had happened?
Sir, can I tell, sir?
1 second, just hold on.
Sir, because of text area, sir.
Shivani, sorry, Samir, mute 1
Sir,
second
because
first.
of text area.
Text area, that's okay. But what is the use of text area? Fine, but how that got this much space? Okay, and when we had read due to row and column, fine. But see, my question is that I'm showing you now. If I will write anything, where is that gone? Okay, up to here, no any scroll bar. Okay, but when I will write one letter itself, sorry, in the new line, now a scroll bar came. How that came?
Sir, because of row we can add enter 10, sir. After 10
Correct.
we get that.
Yeah.
That's
So
calling.
up due to row 10, we had got, means we can enter 10 line, 10 row value you can tell. And due to 50 column 50, you can enter 50 column side. Okay. So once you will get more number, just count this. You will get this idea. Count H1.
Yes, sir. 10.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Sir,
10.
someone
Okay.
mute me continuously.
Who is this?
No idea.
Don't do this thing in the class. Don't disturb. So 10. Okay. 1 is pending. That is in the 11. So up to 10. See, up to 10, we not get any scroll bar because we have a row 10. Fine. But once we got one line extra, means row 11, directly be getting this scroll bar. Clear? So that's why. And in column case, same concept. Yeah, now Samir, tell me what you are telling. Same thing or different?
Actually, sir, I'm telling that tax area basic nature, whatever we are writing, that is inline. But right now you have
Inline.
to yes, means it will
But
it will be right horizontally, sir. It's not
man,
right.
question is something different. You're going on wrong track.
Okay, sir. I got it, my doubt, sir. You carry on.
Yeah, question I had asked why it coming 10 or 11, why this is scroll bar? You telling something?
So
No,
maybe
sir.
affected, sir,
Actually,
for
you
more
already
starting.
fixed. You already given that row 10,
Yeah.
that limit you have to given. That's why it's coming. That things I know, sir.
So that question I had asked from all.
No, but
That
apart from that, I have means another doubt I was.
okay.
That thing I know
Next.
why it's coming.
Okay. Next, bootstrap checkbox. Okay. So if you want, yeah.
So before text area, give now one in one level.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Wait. Yeah, that is. You want one label. Fine. Oh, sorry. Label. Enter. Fine. Yeah.
Sir, this enter comes down. Why not it's come up, sir? I want to know.
No,
that.
it not came down. It came up. But due to this much height, it occupied that complete height.
I was trying this only that it should come up now. So I'm not getting how to make this up.
I think maybe with the help of float, I mean, sorry, padding, we can. I think that. Otherwise, you can keep this inside one separate div, and then it will give you. Because it, see this here, where is row? Yeah. So see this, row 10. Row 10 means what? This one, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this way. So it occupied 10 line from the top to bottom. That's why it's looking like that. So if we will pass that, padding, then we can, if it means sure that with the help of padding we can pass that. With the help of CSS we can do all things. Okay, just a try. If you will not get, we will try that. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah,
Input type text area. This is same thing can be happen, sir. In
where put type?
sir, input type means
Okay,
you
type.
write
1
the
second.
बरं, ठीक.
Got it. 1 second. No, see, actually, see, in type, text area will not come. Text area is like a tag directly. See, text area. See, the symbol of both. Text symbol is something like you can see there. Have you realized the differences between this both?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, give me a
Yeah,
text
so-
area. What happened?
Okay, let's see. So see, it started from the input.
Got it. Experiment failed.
Okay. Yeah. Mission and success. Okay. So next is checkbox. So we can go again different type of checkbox. With the help of Bootstrap, we can design all the checkbox. Nothing is there, just only class name, that is form check input. Okay. And if you want a disabled checkbox, then just input tag means HTML attribute you can tell that is disabled, whatever attribute or property, whatever is this, but you can pass that one disabled. Then inline checkbox. Then again on the top we had seen means in the form section itself, form inline something by there. So we can take here form check inline. Okay. So with the help of this, all three will came in the same inline means same level. And where we will pass this? See this one checkbox, and here we had passed on the top form check inline. Okay. Second one checkbox, here we pass again, and here we pass. Means on each field, each checkbox, we will pass that one. Then again, radio button. If you want to disable the radio button, you can pass which property we will pass for disabled for disabled. How to disable? Just we will pass the
disable class.
disabled, not class. This is, I think, property. Then again, you can go with the radio button inline, same property is there. Then drop down, means sorry, drop down, not select. Okay. Then you can go with in the HTML, how be making this with the help of a select tag, and then inside be passing options. Okay. But here you can go with single select and multiple select also. It's like, see, in this case, 4 and 3. I'm sorry, 1 second.
So press control then select.
Yeah. See, on the top it's written hold control or shift or drag with the mouse. Okay. So you can do like this. Suppose that I selected second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever you can. But this is your select, means select list. So in this, if you by default, if you will take, you can select only one value. But here with the help of Bootstrap, you can do multiple also. Where is that style? Maybe I think in this it will be available. By this always telling. Okay, here itself. So see, where is that? Comment, no, this one. So see, in this case, we have one, remove this label, not required. See what we had done here, we had passed one at property, you can tell, like multiple, as like a disabled, here just we passed multiple. What are you thinking? This multiple is HTML, Bootstrap, CSS, which part? Which part is this one? What do you think?
Bootstrap.
Bootstrap? I don't know.
No,
I
sir.
think this is for of HTML.
HTML, yeah.
Because just we had a pass normal. But what is the thing here? This is the main thing. ID equal to select 2. Okay, this will give you somewhat classes, and name equal to something. Name is just like a name, it's not anything, but this is the main thing. Okay, ID equal to select 2. With the help of this is going to be extra, means like whatever spaces you can see here. Just one time try to check a different, is there any different classes also? I don't know this one. Let's see. 4. Let's remove this and let's see whether it working or not. It worked. Okay. Remove this class. Go directly. Okay. Now remove multiple itself. Now see. Due to multiple it was, but due to a style, Due to multiple, it came multiple selection, but due to class, it had given that spaces, that styling looking good. But this ID is not going to do anything. Just normal style, normal ID they had written. Okay. So we can design this way. This thing, it will be helpful too much in case of Bootstrap. Then again, we're going to control the size of the input form. You can go with like LG form control, LG form control, SM, MD, like that. As like normally we can do. Form control, plain text, it will give you plain text. Different symbols are there. Now range. With the help of Bootstrap, you can do this. Okay. So just go this one. So see what we had taken. Let me copy this completely. Already we had seen this one in HTML case range. We had seen this or not? I have not idea. Range.html. I think in HTML or CSS where we had seen.
The range or slider type.
So see in this case, what we had taken mostly, just to go through the code first. So see this div. So in this div, just we had taken on the top a form group, already we know that. Then input we had taken type equal to range, and main thing this class form control range, and name is already which I told in the form. What it going to do? Name property. What name will do? Just like I had explained in the previous case, validation time. It will indicate and it will pass that some value came for this property, for this input field, some value got. To whom it will inform? It will inform to the form. Okay, means with the help of name, the form tag will know some value they had got, some value they had passed. Okay, with the help of this property itself, whatever you passing there, form tag will know that. Okay, the same thing in the case of this form upload. What we doing here? We taken just a type equal to file, and class we had taken something form control file, and border is for just for border purpose. Let's save and run this line, and let's see. So we can increase and decrease as per range, and you can click this, and now you can upload any file. Okay, and submit. Fine. So this way we can design that input field. Many ways are there. Just use Bootstrap and CSS both property. Then you can get. Anyone having any issue in the form? I mean say form input. See these all are combinedly. Okay. Don't think that these all are separate. No. These all are combinedly. These all are just manipulation purpose. Once you got something, we are going to manipulate in the designing part. So next is the again same thing input, but now we going to group together with something like here at the rate. Previously we was writing label, means label, like enter your name or something like that. Now we going to show that some symbol, and then it will look like that, like here at the rate symbol, then username, email ID. See many times you will see that if you log into Outlook or Microsoft, then here you will see that something at the rate means outlook.com or hotmail.com, something it will. So it will not giving you permission to write this value, whatever extra you had passed. What you will pass? You will just pass something value, and no need to pass this at the rate or whatever you have, gmail.com. This not required. Why? Because already that last already had written, means already they taking that value. So you have to pass this much only. Got it? So this way you can design somewhat attractive. You are going to restrict the user. So what they taken here? We have taken one div just normal as like, okay. Then we taken here input, one div where the input is there. And in this case, input after that. But here for the designing purpose, previously we had taken label. but now we're not taking label. We are going to show something, just image or design or icon, anything you can take. It's not compulsory that only at the rate. If you want icon, how we will take icon here? Can anyone tell me? I will not take more time on this input field. Already we covered a lot because these all are just designing. How we can pass in that icon? Any idea?
Yeah, yesterday,
Yeah, sir.
before yesterday, you already that passed. So you can
Just
take
one
image tag over
second.
here.
1 second. Form group dot html. Fine. I not taken that. Let it to be run. Yeah, I had planned that I will complete this bootstrap, but it will be in the middle itself. So see here, remove this. So here we had passed at the rate. I not want at the rate. I want some icon. What you can do? You can just take I tag, okay? And after I, you can take any icon, okay? Whatever you have. But now I have not do one thing.
So instead of icon, you can take image tag.
Image tag, then I have to manage that height and width. Then it will again give me complicated. Okay, let it to be.
Sir, we can use awesome font icon, sir.
Yes, that link
Yeah.
first we have to copy at the top. After that, we are going to take that class for that
Thing,
purpose.
we have to pass that link actually. That's why.
Yes, that is the big issue.
That's why I not going. Otherwise, I have to go bootstrap, then take that link. Who will do that much?
Yes,
It's
yes.
irritating.
Just
That is
maintain height and width, sir.
It's the take 20. And anybody sleeping?
Yes.
If anybody feeling sleepy, just tell me.
So what you are going to give reference for that?
I will give a tea and coffee. This is night class. So you have to take the benefit of night class.
Coffee is better, sir.
Coffee is better. Which coffee? Cappuccino. You want extra also in that?
Sir, filter coffee, sir.
You want filter?
Yes, filter coffee, sir. ये 2 रुपया वाला पैकेट खरीद के दूध में मिला के मत दे दीजिएगा.
Okay, Samir want filter. Okay, noted down. Next. Anyone?
शिवानी का हाथ उठाया हुआ है, उससे पूछ लीजिए.
वो सोकर हाथ उठा ली होगी. वो देखी होगी कुछ फायदा लगता है हो रहा है, इसलिए वो हाथ खड़ा कर ली होगी. No one.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Who is this? Samsad. Okay, he sent the coffee. See. Okay. So see here, what we had done, we added image. Okay. So anywhere you can add image, icon, anything, emoji. So can I add emoji with the help of HTML code? How I can?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Go with that.
But don't ask her how.
This one is the code. Okay. Just copy this. What is the number? Copy this code, whatever is written, let it to be, and pass here. Comment this line. I don't know whether it will work or not. It have to. Oh my God, what happened? Something mistake. Wait. Some dollar or something. What?
Okay. हैश के साथ लिखना पड़ेगा इसको.
This one is the thing.
ये तो ये सर शायद किसी के चेहरे से मिल रहा है सर.
See, this one came. Okay. Don't make this type of design in your website. Otherwise, no client will visit your website. If you will design this type of registration form, then you will be the first and last member of your website. Okay, so we can design, means we can pass here emoji or whether image or font awesome icon, anything you can. Okay. And with the help of this, we going to design. Now let's move to the code, how we had done this, because main thing, how we got this box, how we pass the value, that is the main thing concept. Okay, so let's see. We had taken one already. We know that input group, form group, that one we had done. So here it become input group. Let it to be, it's not an issue. So next is the input group prepend. Okay, and after that there be taken a span, sorry, a span, and in that inside that we had taken input group text. Whatever text you want, like emoji, font awesome, image, anything, pass there. And due to this, means up to this div, whatever we had written, up to this we got, due to that one we got this a square. Okay,
Yes.
as I told, as I already suggesting from the first itself, no need to remember any classes of Bootstrap. Just make the design in your mind, that some design is there available. With the help of that, we can do. Search any official documentation like Bootstrap, W3 School or anything. Copy the code, modify according to your need. Okay. So this way, then input field. Input field is as normal. Nothing changes in this one because already be getting the form control. So, but in second case, in this case, see what you had got in the first case means right side, same thing you got in the left side. Means now what you will do, just change the position. That's it. And you will got that all. So see here. Here it changed the position. Input group append, and after that input group text. Now I want the background color something. Okay. What you can do? You can pass the background color. So let's say do one thing here. Go with something Bootstrap itself. bg-success. And let's save and let's see. We got the color. We want the color inside the input. Sorry, inside the input text, wherever we have the field of writing the value there. Just take that. We got some design. So now we want the placeholder. Okay. Question came, how I will design the placeholder. This username is written there. When we will write, it gone. Clear? But I want to design the placeholder. I want that text of placeholder to be white. How we can? Can anyone? Wait. Sweta, how we can design the placeholder to be white color?
Sir, as simple as that, sir.
Just wait. Sweta? She's sleeping. Okay, let you be.
No, sir.
Next. No. Then
No,
tell.
sir.
How we can.
My promise, sir.
Okay. All TCS employee have this issue. Don't worry. You are also the part of that.
No, sir. I'm not
Your
joining that.
your
Sir, she is
your
not
team
the
lead is
TCS.
here.
Yes, I
Why? What?
selected, sir, but not joining, sir.
Why?
My feedback, sir.
Why you
Yes.
demotivating other guy? Amardeep, this is not good.
Sir, I am
If
telling
TCS,
the truth. I am telling the truth, sir. I don't want to someone face like what I'm facing.
which company you joining, Sweta?
Sir, I just attended two company tests, sir. Just waiting for that result.
Don't do that. Join TCS. Let it to be. At least you will got monthly. That's it. After that, if you not want left, when you will get
Sir,
any
I
other opportunity.
told her that if you don't have any option, then only join TCS.
Yeah. Really, I told that itself.
So she
Join
have the
that.
option.
Okay. If you have any other, then let it to be. But if not, join that.
I
Don't
told her
ignore.
that if you don't have any option left, then join TCS. TCS will welcome you.
Yeah. At least you will get your financial support. Don't think in that that's not good or this that. All companies like that. Okay, that is the thing. If you will go in Google, that Google is also like that. Employee who is working in Google, who will means that is blaming Google. Okay. So don't left that opportunity. Whatever you have, join that.
Just grab that.
Sideway you can. Yeah, and sideway you
Grab
can
it,
go with
sir.
that. But now don't grab that. Grab this placeholder color. How I will place? How I will change that?
Sir, as simple as that, sir.
Placeholder.
Yeah.
Where is the
Placeholder. Where is that placeholder? See, this username after this laughing, whatever person face is there. Shivani, Kumari. Oh my God, 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Take a text.
What you telling? Take text.
Text and danger. White.
Okay, text danger. Okay.
Not text white.
Okay, anything. I know
Yeah.
that will not work. That is the thing. That's why I had asked. Okay. So see
Okay.
what happened. Text white. See, this happened. Text white. If that is simple, I not ask like that. Okay, I know that.
But
Praful. Yeah, Samir, tell me. I think you was also thinking. That's why you're telling as simple.
no, sir.
Sir, we can use
Sir,
background color.
we can do the attribute selector, attribute selector or element selector, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Inside you have to press S pen, and you have to change that color, sir.
1 second. What you telling?
Sir, you have to pass a span.
Okay. Where?
After form control class.
Wait,
Form
1
control.
second. Form control. Line number.
Okay.
Form
sir,
control.
Number,
Okay, fine.
line number.
This.
No, sir.
This one.
Line number 28.
Line number 28. Okay.
Span you have to pass inside the span, sir. Sir, inside a span you have to pass placeholder.
Tell me one more time where I have to write and what? Here.
Line number 28. 28.
Line number 2. Wait 1 second. Yeah, line number 28 here.
Yes. So inside a span tag, you pass that placeholder and that value.
Tell me, I will write that. I can't getting what you telling. Here I have to write something.
Okay, line number 28. In a starting, you have to write a span tag. A span.
Here I have to write. 1 second, Amardeep. 1 second. Yeah, that I confusing. Yeah, here you telling a span. Fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Just close, open and close, sir.
Okay, fine.
And inside a span, you have to pass that placeholder.
Here you telling placeholder.
Yes.
Sorry, this one.
Just cut and paste over there.
This one, correct?
No, sir. No, sir.
Outside you telling.
Yes, in between. Yes.
PLACEHOLDER. Correct?
Placeholder is equal to username. You have to pass, and inside a span you have to give that color.
Wait 1 second. User name. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And then next.
Inside a span, line number 28, you have to pass that color.
UR.
Within, sir, within a style, sir.
Okay,
take
sorry.
a style and then pass color, sir.
Style, color, and white.
Yes, sir.
Samir, I can't imagine this much styling of code. What is this red warning?
It is not working.
Is this due to fair lovely?
Sir, because of placeholder is
Sir, are you
attributes
using
in
Fair
the
and Lovely?
Wait 1 second.
Sir,
Samir,
are
what
you
is
using
this?
Fair and Lovely?
Wait, fair lovely and Biko. Wait 1 second. Samir, what is this? This become complete white.
Sir, by default, unexpected result, sir.
Man. See, that I thinking, he telling me to write here a span. And see, what is this one? Where is the closing of this input? And inside that he telling write a span. Samir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
night means not. This is night means not that you will forget the code.
Sir, आप गलत प्लेस
Sir.
Sir,
या
can
तो
I?
अमरदीप 1 सेकंड अमरदीप, मैं गलत प्रेस किया हूँ कोड, आप प्लेस बताएं, हम नहीं कुछ किए हैं. You have tell the position, line number, everything. If you want, you can. Yeah, Amardeep. 1 second, Amardeep. Who is
Yeah.
another telling?
Swami.
Dharmender.
Yes. Yeah, sir.
Who telling? Dharmender.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, wait. Let it to be Amardeep. Yeah, Amardeep, tell me.
Line number 26 says in pass one class a place.
Okay, let it to be. We'll pass
No,
hairstyle.
26, not 26, sir. Sir, in input only, sir. In class pass one.
Amardeep, be careful, दोस्त.
Yeah, I'm careful. Don't worry.
तो मेरा तो पोपट बन गया, तेरा भी बन जाएगा.
Sir,
Yeah, Amardeep.
in after text white, pass on right place.
Right place means?
I'm giving
Tell
a
me,
class
starting.
random line number 31
Okay.
after text white.
Okay, got it. 1 second.
I'm giving a class
Text
name.
white.
Place.
Okay, go with something class, text and a dash.
No, sir. No, sir. Backspace. I'm giving class name, sir. Place.
Okay. Tell me class name.
PLC.
I was writing that P.
L. Sir, let it be PFC only, sir. And go in a style section.
Anything, that's not an issue.
Yeah. PFC double colon.
Yeah, it's right, sir. Sir, it's
Dot
right.
PFC double colon.
1 second. PFC double
Dot
colon.
PFC. Dot PFC, sir. Dot PFC.
Sorry. Yeah, okay.
Placeholder.
It's right, sir. It's working.
Curly
That
bracket.
is wrong.
Curly bracket.
Something is
Sir,
wrong.
can
No,
I,
sir.
sir?
No wrong, sir.
Only, sir, placeholder can
color white.
double element can pass any color.
Color WH.
White.
1 second, Praful. I will come on your also.
It's work, sir.
Yeah, it worked because he taken pseudo element.
So what you thought, sir? It won't work. That's why you are smiling,
No.
and then you said that Praful.
No, sir.
Sir,
One more
We are
page
not
there.
color changing now column. That's why sir saying it's not working.
No, color not. I was planning regarding the attribute selector. That is the
Sir, only, sir, a placeholder and double colon can put the
yeah.
same
Tell me,
thing
Praful.
can happen.
Sir,
or
how
not.
can change, sir, using attribute selector, sir?
Placeholder. Tell that.
Sir, first is double
Yeah,
colon and
placeholder.
placeholder.
Okay, this one.
No,
Can
sir.
we do or not?
Yes,
No,
yes.
sir.
We can do, sir.
We're thinking he is writing all wrong. I don't know whether it will work or not, but this way we can do, I think.
Yes, it worked. Definitely it worked.
Attributes, it will work, sir. It will also work, sir.
Where is the issue? Is this?
Yes.
Something
Yes.
to happen.
Sir, input is not a class, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. Input, but something mistake here.
Yes, sir. After
Column,
input,
sir.
you give that column. After input, you give the column, sir. Yes. Hope so.
So this is error. One wrong means error is there. Read message and under that underscore.
Place. Okay. Can you write placeholder equal to that name?
Name, it's not the matter.
Because
that will be the value.
But in type text, we are going to take input and type equal to text. On that time, same thing is working.
Type equal to input.
No.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Something mistake here. Something mistake while writing be taking here. That is the thing.
Because before
everything is correct.
Input type equal to text, that was working.
Let's see. That means, but something mistake here writing way. That is the thing. Let's see. Type equal to wait. Let me check that selector CLECTOR, sorry, attribute selector. This one. Yeah, this one.
Target. Come down, sir. Input wala.
Input class. I will open the form. Here is the form input line image. Oh, form. This one. I think
Input. Yes, yes, here. Input type is equal to text.
Sir, time is 11:25.
anyway you are sleeping. Why are you taking tension?
Sir, 11:20.
11. Sir, 1:57.
That I told you. Anyway, Siri is sleeping.
सर कौन सा गोला का टाइम है ये 11:25
शिवानी अभी 11 भी नहीं बजा।
अभी तो पार्टी बाकी, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।
खत्म 3 दिन बाद ही होगा बूस्ट को पता है जिस रेशियो से चल रहा है हम लोग।
सर माय स्टाइल इज ओनली वर्किंग सर।
सर कॉलर लगा के सर उसमें कॉलर लगाए थे क्या? आफ्टर प्लेस होल्डर से, आफ्टर प्लेस होल्डर से नो सर।
सर टाइप लिखा था।
प्लेस होल्डर के बाद उसका
सर धीरे धीरे सब लेफ्ट हो रहा है। 2 मेंबर लेफ्ट।
कौन लेफ्ट हो गया?
सर पवन बेचारा बोर हो गया था।
हमारे पड़ोसी।
होने दीजिए।
आखिर वो है भी किसके पड़ोसी?
प्लेस होल्डर इक्वल टू
आप वैल्यू दीजिए।
Let's see. I don't know why it's not working.
But it should be there. This is
yeah,
the
that's it.
It should be work.
Because we already taken this thing. Tomorrow just try this one. Why this not working? Where is the issue in this type?
गोली मार दीजिएगा सर, इसको नहीं चलेगा तो।
Okay. So
अमरदीप जिंदाबाद।
सर में आपका एट्रीब्यूट सेलेक्टर काम नहीं कर रहा हो, वो नॉर्मल फॉर्म में करके देखिए।
नॉर्मल फॉर्म
सर अरेंज हम लोग कर लेंगे सर। We'll try.
Yeah. So this way we can design our particular placeholder, whether particular input field or anything. You can go with pseudo class, pseudo element, attribute selector, those all property, and then you can design your form. Fine. So what is the next in this box sizing? We can reduce, increase. Are we on the right track? Yeah, bootstrap. Fine. Remove this. Yeah. So again, the form designing, large, small, multiple input helper. Again, something like just these all are designing. Nothing is there. Okay, just a small separator park. Then again, something is there. Checkbox type. Okay, like a checkbox. Then radio button means here it going to take. Suppose that is there any situation like your question answer itself. When you doing any test paper or anything, that time what you have to do? You have to take multiple options. Means when you have to take multiple option, more than one option is correct. That scenario you can go with checkbox. But when you have only one single, then you can go with this one. Okay. But suppose that you have this type of field, enable and disable, and if you checkbox, if you tick that, then only you can go with you can get the permission of writing. That time you can go with this checkbox and you can start typing the value. Okay, you can design that. Then again, input button grouping, already we had seen this thing more and more, but again inline and due to inline it will make that something like this way. Then drop down, I'm not going to this thing more deeply because already we had covered a lot in this thing. Clear? Then again custom for, I will not cover this thing more because already this is going to be one by one, again the designing part only. So I will go something here Suppose checkbox radio button already be know. See, in the case of a radio button, by default radio button will be like this type. Okay, but if you want something designing, then here you know what is the what property it will work. Mostly you have to work with the selector. Okay, like pseudo class, pseudo element, or your attribute selector. This will be help you in designing this radio button like this type. Okay, then custom range, you have to design. With the help of that you can design. So this will be make your form or whatever designing you are doing attractive. So with the help of this bootstrap we can, but toggle is there. So many cases you will see that toggling part. Okay, so when you clicking that, color becomes something. When you clicking that, color becomes something. So when you thinking toggle with work, means what should be the output in this scenario? On, off both, one, two both, or only one, either two, like that way. What are you thinking? Or multiple or single option? Toggle. When suppose we have to take any input field, so when we will take the toggle type? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
When we
हाँ
will
सर
take the
दुगना
toggle
आवाज आ
type?
रहा है आपका.
Hello? Is this fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your voice
Okay.
is fine.
So when we will take the toggle type, because see radio button, checkbox, everything we know. Okay. That's why we're not going on that. But a toggle, this is new. That's why I asking. So in the case of toggle, what is this? Dharminder Kumar. Input type equal to text colon placeholder. Okay. So whenever there will be requirement like to taking one value out of that, switching that scenario, we can go with the toggle. Okay, and we can switch the value between both. We will get that real-time scenario in the case of JavaScript and Angular part. Okay, these all input field as like in HTML, but here we going to make the designing. Whatever design we had seen from the starting itself, form, then again input group, custom forms. The same thing is going on. Okay, then select menu. This all we not going to discuss more. This is just custom design. You can go one by one and you can see. See, because normal by default, file upload section will be come like this, but we not want like this way. We want something different. We can do something. Then no need to click here. This complete section will be clickable. But when you uploading in this one, now see what is the difference. Whatever file you selected, that coming here. But when you clicking this section, whatever file is there, it came this one. Design is this, that is difference. Okay. So this way we covered approx all form input field, and console already we had covered. Model is there. Model we will cover tomorrow. Anyone having any issue? Tell me.
Thank
In the
you,
case
sir.
of form. So what is this? Abhishek.
Yes.
Oh, are you feeling sleepy? More.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, you can sleep. No issue. I'm going to stop recording.